Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Shogun 7. We're going to open this up. Again, I want to say that this was $999 by itself. And I bought the accessory kit, which was another $200 or $300. And that promo is no longer going on, so you guys missed out. I really don't know why people still want the Shogun Inferno. I know it's because of the price, but an extra couple $100, you get a switcher and you get a better screen. So what's the use of getting the older version when you can just get the new one? You might as well upgrade. Let's go ahead and open it from this side. Wow. And this is what I'm talking about. Basically, this thing helps you calibrate your lens. Probably not going to use it, to be honest. But it's good to have. It's in a nice box, a foam looking box with a logo. And we got a little unlocking mechanism here. It's like a suitcase. And boom. We've got the Atomos 7 HDR. So I did buy a SSD card already. This one in particular is actually one of the best ones for this recorder. And they don't sell it brand new anymore. I think they stopped manufacturing it. So we need to find this, and it's going for like $300, $400 depending on who you get it from. But this is about 1 terabyte. This is mainly used for servers, so good luck trying to get this. But I'm gonna put it in the card right here because I don't want this thing getting exposed, because it's been out for a long time. All you gotta do is put it in like, put it right, put it in like this, like so. You can see that. And then slide it in. I think I'm doing it right. So you got the screws right here. I'm gonna do this later on. And this does not come with batteries, so don't expect any batteries. It does take the NPF batteries. They're fairly cheap. We got the charger. It's nice to have this little twist lock, just in case it gets disconnected. Got the couple international adapters for the power plug. And I'm in the US, so I'm putting this on. And we got the unit itself. Pretty cool. Oh, what we got down here? Guess the warranty card. Welcome to the family. I think this is a sticker. Yeah, looks like a sticker. And a quick start guide. I'll use this later on. Just want to check out the unit itself. So I'm going to be using this with my FS5 and or my other cameras, waiting on my screen protector, so I'm not going to take that off of it. comes with 6 SDI ports, and we got 1 HDMI in and out. It also has a XLR input right here, but you're gonna need an adapter for that, so good luck. Stoked to turn this on. Let me turn this on real quick. I'm hoping this doesn't burn out, but I got my slider batteries, 2 of them. This is the 750 models. Yeah, just put it in like so. And it's powering up with the Shogun 7. You do need to update the firmware on this, so make sure you do. Don't be a dummy and not update it, because you won't get the features. But all in all, this thing is pretty heavy. If you're doing like stationary stuff, like static shots or whatever, this is good. But for run and gun, it is kind of heavy, so just be aware of that and get a good mount. But it is a recorder that records ProRes RAW, so that's a good thing. It's telling me to put an input in, and I'll do it with my camera, my FS5. But you know what, for now I'm just going to turn this off, and then we'll get to unboxing the other accessories. The screen looks good though, I like it. And it does come with a 3-year warranty, so that's a good thing. I'll figure this out. I'll see you guys later. Peace.